So I have chosen two problems for us to do together here on percents proportions. Number one, a bike is on sale for $170. This is 80% of the regular price. Find the regular price. I will try to do what the guy was trying to show you at the second video that you watched at task 2. So I'm going to separate my problems into my components. Is on sale for $170. This is 80% of the regular price. So now I'm going to try to set up my proportion. The is number or value is 170. 80% off. The off, I don't know the off value. There's my x. There are a couple ways to solve this proportion. In this specific problem, let me show you cross product. Cross product means product of extremes, upper left diagonal. Let me write down. Upper left diagonal equals product of means, 80x. If I do my multiplication here, 170 add two zeros equals 80x. And because I want x by itself, I will divide both sides by 80. If you do that division, the answer comes out to be x equals 212.50. So the regular price of the bike was $212, and 50 cents. Let's go to the second problem. During a flu epidemic, I guess we can actually relate to that right now, 146 students out of the 680 students who attend Lincoln Middle School were absent, and they're asking us to find the percent of the students that were absent. I'm going to do the same thing as before. 146 out of the 680. What percent? So let me set up my percent equation. The is number is 146. The off number or the base number is 680. And I don't know the percent. I need to solve for x. So another way to solve a proportion is, since you want x by itself, you don't want that 100, so it's divided by 100. So I can multiply both sides by 100. Both sides of the equal. If I multiply both sides of the equal by 100, on this side I have x by itself, which is what I want. On this side, you multiply across. So it's 146 times 100, which is this, divided by 680. And if you do that division, you're getting x to be, well, I'm going to say about because it's not exact. It's 21.47. Now be careful, because you're asked to find percent here, you have to put the percent symbol, 21.47%, which is making sense if you use your common sense, of course. If you're comparing 170 to 680, half of 680 is 340. Okay, half of 340 is what is it? Half of 340. 190. So we expect that 170, since it's less than 25%, and the 21.47% is a very, very logical answer. So use your common sense when we're dealing with percent problems.